break room and asked what was wrong. Through her sons, she tried to explain that while she was on the ride, she saw something pass the boat. Now the water in the ride is not very deep, so what she described next sounded absurd. It looked like a mix between a fish and a person. Its arms were only a few inches long, and I saw the effing gills. It had huge eyes, no nose, and a gaping mouth. We calmly asked her what color the scales were. She said, no, it didn't have scales. It was flesh. Within 5 minutes, the ride was shut down. I didn't have high enough clearance to know what they were doing to find the thing in the ride, but my manager was cool enough to tell me what they found. She said that a disgusting mound of flesh was left on top of the dog, but nothing else was seen. Now, like I said before, I was just a normal worker, so I don't know about any investigations they did about the incident, but I do know when the next messed up thing happened. A few days later, I was working in Hollywood studios doing janitorial work when I heard a family talking as they left the great movie ride. "Did you hear Kevin scream at the alien scene?" A tween boy pushed the girl, who I assumed was his sister. "Shut up! The robot came so close to us, did you see its eyes?" This was a red flag. I assumed they were talking about the xenomorph scene, but what they were saying didn't add up. So yet again,